Hi, this video is going to take us through drawing a foundation plan in AutoCAD. So before we start with this foundation, I guess a couple things we should have is we should have a template CAD file with all of our standard layers set up with the correct line types also. The other thing that we want to check is make sure that we have a dimension style that is annotative, and we should be able to pull that from our architectural technology class. And then the other thing that we would want to do is we would set the scale of our drawing to a 1/4 inch scale, because that's what this is a 1/4 inch. So the first thing that we do is we're going to draw the outer perimeter of our foundation. And this is typically on the S-FDN layer. We can either use a polyline or a single line. That's your preference. Sometimes a single line might be easier if you're going to be manipulating or changing or moving your lines around as you're designing it. So you might want to take that into consideration. So also in this example, this is going to be a concrete foundation. And so our concrete foundation is 8 inches thick. So what we're going to do is once we have that outer line drawn, we're going to offset those lines 8 inches. And then we're going to kind of fill it or clean up the corners so we have nice clean corners at the edge. After that, we're going to draw our footing. We're going to put our footing on the S-FTN layer, and that should be a hidden line type. So I've added a detail showing our footing underneath our foundation wall from our materials and methods class as a reference. And yes, at this point we offset those lines 6 inches and make sure that that is on that S-FTN layer, which should be a green dashed line. After that, we're going to add a center beam in the center of this. And then finally, we're going to dimension. So when we put our dimensions on, we're going to dimension 4 feet off of the face of those walls, and we're going to pull those out like such.